BESTEK 400W car power inverter DC 12V to AC 110V car adapter with 5A4 USB charging ports. BESTEK Advantage, America's #1 power inverter brand, provides 400W continuous DC to AC power and 1000 watts of peak power. Dual 110V household electrical outlets provide enough power for your laptop, digital camera, TV, fan, refrigerator, game console, DVD Blu-ray player, GPS, lamps, and more. 5A4-port USB charging ports make this power inverter ideal for charging your phones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices. Built-in replaceable 30A32VX2 fuses and cooling fan for safety and easier maintenance. This power inverter has overvoltage, overload, overcurrent, undervoltage, overheating, short-circuit protection. Comes with 2 3-feet car cigarette lighter plug and 2-feet black-red battery clips to plug into your cigarette lighter or connect directly to your vehicle's battery. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.